Which of the following is equivalent to 4 over 2 plus 4i? In this case, we have a complex number on the denominator, and we want to get rid of the I on the denominator. So therefore, we're going to multiply by something that we call the conjugate. This is a positive 4i, so therefore I'm going to multiply by 2 minus 4i. So notice that I only change the sign to the I. The real part stays the same, because I want the i's to cancel on the denominator. And what I do on the denominator, I need to do on the numerator as well. So let me multiply it out. Distribute the 4 to both. That'll be 4 times 2 will be 8. 4 times negative 4i will give me negative 16i. And I'm going to distribute the 2 to each one, and then the 4i to them both. So let's multiply the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative 4i is negative 8i. Now I'm going to multiply that 4i to both. 4i times 2 will give me positive 8i. And 4i times negative 4i is negative 16i squared. On the denominator, my i's will cancel, and they should. My numerator stays the same, 8 minus 16i. And in this case, I squared, if you remember the definition for I squared, we know that I is equal to the square root of negative 1. And if you square both sides, I squared is equal to negative 1. And this is the definition that we need. So therefore, on the denominator, I have a 4. This is negative 1 times a negative 16 becomes a positive 16, which makes it 20. So I have 8 minus 16i, and each one is going to be divided by 20. And I'm just going to reduce my fraction. I can divide it by 4, so it gives me 2. Divide by 4 gives me 5. I'll reduce my fraction. Divide by 4 gives me 4. Divide by 4 gives me 5, and then the I. So therefore your answer is 2/5, and your answer is letter D.